You may blink, but the front assist never does. Driving up to 30 kilometers an hour, the car can stop all by itself. Even at highway speeds, the system uses radar sensors and, upon detecting an obstacle, warns you with an acoustic signal before applying the brake. To activate front assist, click on the car button on your steering wheel to access the assistance systems. Use the scroll button to select front assist. Press the scroll button to switch the system on or off. You can also activate and adjust front assist on the infotainment screen. Go to Menu and tap Driver Assistance. Under the front assist icon, you can set the advance warning from early to late or deactivate the advance warning completely. We recommend that you leave the system switched on. We wish you safe travels with the front assist, and we hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.